Jiangsu DUBAO Pump Industry Co. Ltd. is a production-oriented enterprise integrating RU amp, D, manufacturing, and sales. Founded in 2007, the company is located in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China. The environment is beautiful and the transportation is very convenient. In the process of innovation and RU amp, D, we focus on product innovation, quality improvement, and process improvement. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Management System certification. The products are applicable to electroplating, circuit board PCB, LED electronics and photovoltaic solar energy, wastewater treatment, medical and chemical industry, waste gas treatment, etching cleaning, anodizing, electrophoretic coating, and other industries. The products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, Middle East, South America, Africa, Europe, North America, and other regions, and established a long-term and stable cooperative relationship through excellent quality. DUBAO JF3018 Industrial Water Filter. The main body and the base of the filter are made of PP material body injection molding. With the least welding points, it is high temperature resistance, acid and alkali resistance, etc. are depending on customer needs. Choose cartridge material PP, acrylic, and PVDF. Sun-transparent acrylic is suitable for temperatures below 60 degrees. Large capacity for filtration. The products are widely used in the chemical industry, electroplating, metal processing, medicine, food processing, and other fields. They have the characteristics of acid resistance, corrosion resistance, stable and reliable quality, simple structure, and easy maintenance. The products can be customized according to the use scene, such as size, voltage, import and export position, caliber, and other parameters. For details, please contact us. Email kathy@jsdubao.com. WhatsApp +8615106198365